Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to take an English test on Toloka, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app and then at the top of the screen you can see the English comprehension test and this test helps you to get more paid tasks. If you pass it, you will get tasks that are available only to users with confirmed language skills. So if you want that, click on the test. You can see the instructions icon to get more information. So in your profile you have indicated English as one of your languages. Now you can get the tasks in English if such are available. We would also like to offer you a short language test. If the test is successfully completed, you will have access to the tasks or require a deeper knowledge of English. You may need a calculator for some questions. Alright, and the time limit you can see the 2 minutes max time to complete the test can usually be done much faster because the requester allows extra time. So if you want test, to take the test, click on the take the test at the bottom of the screen, and you can see after this the test will be available to everyone. Solve the problem according to the instructions below, and you can see here the tasks. So I'm going back, finish later. So this is how you can complete the comprehension test in English in Toloka. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.